Yawning serves critical biological and social functions, from brain cooling and alertness to fostering empathy and group cohesion. It initiates brain temperature regulation, enhancing alertness, particularly at the transition between wakefulness and sleep. Contagious yawning, influenced by the brain's mirror neuron system, might act as a primitive form of communication, indicating shared states like tiredness or stress within a group. This fascinating behavior, deeply rooted in our physiology and social nature, highlights the complexity of seemingly simple actions and their significance in our lives.